Hoping to see Darshan sir on screen, big screen.
Yeah.
Same here. Who's your favorite actor?
Favorite actor, Darshan.
Darshan sir.
Yeah.
Okay, that is very controversial. So why do you like Darshan sir?
His kindness and
His kindness.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
Movie.
straightforward. He talks straightforward.
He gives the answers to their faces only.
Yeah, faces.
He won't mind
That's
anything.
Yeah, he won't mind.
Like he won't sugarcoat anything.
Yeah,
he just
he won't- what he
say
thinks,
what it
he
is.
will tell. Yeah.
That's what.
There's no
Even
connection
I
between-
like the same, the attitude of
Yeah.
Darshan sir for that reason
For
only.
that reason, yeah.
Sanguli Raina was 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
His weapon was 6 feet tall. Like him only. There is a saying something like that.
Yeah, he's
So he actually
6+.
fits that character
fits
role.
that character, yeah.
That's what. Even I like that thing.
Yeah, Vasanniba.
Basanniba.
Yeah. That one we will
Vasanniba.
like. All weekends we
Vasanniba.
will put that song.
Bazaaro namda ivattu Basanniba. Just sit ke baad Basanni. Hi, my name is Anil. What's your name?
Hi bro, Suraj.
Suraj.
Yeah.
Okay, Suraj, where are you from?
I'm from Chikkmangaluru, but staying at Bangalore.
Okay, Chikkmangaluru. Okay, can you tell me which is famous? Like, what is famous in Chikkmangaluru?
Chikkmangaluru hill station. It's famous for hill station like Mullangiri, Kalangiri, Tatapita.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's famous for that places only.
Places, yeah.
Any food which is famous in Chikkmangaluru?
Chikkmangaluru actually there is a hotel, Mayura Hotel. Yeah, there it's masala dosa is famous. There.
Masala dosa is famous over there.
Yeah,
Okay, so masala dosa priya in Chikkmangaluru also.
and town canteen.
Town canteen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is famous according to
Yeah,
you.
it's famous and it's famous for coffee.
Coffee also.
Obviously coffee.
Chikkmangaluru coffee.
Coffee.
What's your name?
Joel.
Joel.
Joel Fernandez.
Very jovial person. You know what jovial means? Always being in jolly. Yeah. So why do you like Darshan sir?
Like apart from movie, not for his movie or something like
No.
that.
I'm just asking in
Yeah.
general. Why do you like Darshan
His
sir?
kindness and
His kindness.
Yeah.
Okay. That is why you like
why
him.
I like him, yeah.
Okay. Any one
And he's
movie.
straightforward. He talks
That's what.
straightforward.
He gives the answers to their faces only.
Yeah, faces.
He won't mind
That's what-
anything.
Yeah, he won't mind.
Like he won't sugarcoat anything.
Yeah,
he just
he won't- what
say
he
what it
thinks,
is.
he will tell. Yeah.
That's what.
There's no
Even
connection
I
between-
like the same, the attitude of
Yeah.
Darshan sir for that reason
For
only.
that reason, yeah.
Any one movie which is favorite of Darshan
Favorite
sir's?
is Kanti Veera Sambodi Rayam.
Kranti Veer that is one epic movie I can say because that is a historic person which he portrayed in that movie.
Because only he can do that.
He can pull it off because that Sanguli Raina was 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
His weapon was 6 feet tall. Like him only. There is a saying something like that.
Yeah, he's
So he actually
6+.
fits that character
fits
role.
that character, yeah.
That's what. Even I like that thing.
Yeah.
So which is your favorite song
like
in general?
general
Yeah.
song. All DBoss song. I like all DBoss songs.
Anyone if you wanna pick?
Vasanniba.
Basanniba.
Yeah. That one we will
Basanniba.
like. All weekends we will put that song.
Bazaaro namda ivattu Basanniba. Just sit ke baad Basanni. Okay, Joel, where are you from? Chikkmangaluru. Same. Okay, according to what is famous in Chikkmangaluru? Coffee. Yeah, we'll do some photography. Yeah, we'll see the photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do one group photo and then I'll surprise you with something, okay? Bro, you're not coming close, nah? Here's the photos. Yeah, that was very good. So we'll do one video of yours. Walk from there. With full style, put glasses while walking. I'll tell you, okay, when to walk. You do full swag, like DBoss. Walk. Oh, that was very quick.
Iನ್ನು slow ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
It's okay. I'll surprise you with this. It's just a normal video, but you will be surprised when I do it.
Okay, thank you.
So yeah, that was very good meeting you. And Joel, be always jolly. And you also hoping to see Darshan sir on screen, big screen.
Yeah.
Same here. Anyway, hope to see you again.